These urban explorers went into abandoned subway tunnels and found something that still haunts them. They were just looking for cool footage when their flashlights revealed makeshift beds and old food containers scattered everywhere. Someone had been living down there for years, but as they explored deeper, they found disturbing personal belongings. Old newspapers from 20 years ago, dozens of missing person flyers, and photographs of people they didn't recognize. The air felt wrong, like they were being watched. Then they heard footsteps echoing from the darkness behind them. When they turned around, an old man emerged from the shadows. His clothes were torn and his eyes were completely white. He whispered something that made their blood freeze. He said he'd been waiting for them because he recognized their faces from the photographs. The explorers ran toward the exit, but when they looked back at their footage later, they realized something terrifying. The man in the tunnel looked exactly like one of them, but aged 50 years. They never went back underground.